case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Vermont Supreme Court heard a landmark case in 2005, Summit 7 Inc. versus Kelly. The case revolved around Staci Lasker, an ambitious employee who voluntarily left Summit 7 Inc., a Williston-based printing and copying services provider, to join a direct competitor. The crux of the case was a non-competition agreement that Lasker previously signed while working for Summit 7, subjecting the enforceability of such agreements under Vermont law to rigorous scrutiny. Lasker, who commenced her stint with Summit 7 in a customer services position in January 2000, received both substantial promotions and salary increases over 3 years. She ascended the company ladder to ultimately become a supervisor before deciding to depart in 2003. This non-competition agreement came to light upon her desire to seek employment with a competitor. With the ball in its court, the Vermont Supreme Court used a reasonableness approach in its review, weighing the interests of Summit 7, Lasker, and the public. The court also factored in whether the non-competition agreement served a purpose besides prohibiting competition. In a carefully balanced judgment authored by Chief Justice Allen, the court considered Lasker's promotions and continued employment with Summit 7 as sufficient consideration, supporting the enforceability of the non-competition agreement. The court thus upheld the agreement, which was directly in line with protecting Summit 7's business interests. While the court agreed that partial enforcement of a restrictive covenant is generally preferred, it ruled that Lasker was prohibited from working for any direct competitor of Summit 7. The defendant's request for a reasonable geographic limit was rendered irrelevant due to the expiration of the non-competition agreement. Thus, the Superior Court's earlier decision was upheld, setting an important precedent in the realm of employee non-competition agreements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class